It's the wonder workings of how your mind connects, Alicia. A blueprint drawn in whispers and soft effects. In a galaxy of noise, you're the frequency that's clear. My beautiful, my courageous, my forever dear. When the pressure reached a level that would crush a lesser soul, you stayed solid as a diamond, keeping me within control. And you're my solid ground when the world spins out of view. You've had my back through the black hole, so I know you're the truth. You're my solar system leash, you're my everything and more. The strongest woman this side of heaven I'll ever adore. You're my center, my light, my steady hand, the baddest supernova to ever grace this land. Let's talk about the stars, how they pale next to your glow. The way you navigated storms that the world will never know. From the Mercury to the Neptune cold, your loyalty is a story that the constellations told. You move with a purpose no word is ever spent, a vocabulary of desire, precisely what you meant. Then the sky turned black and the gavel finally fell, a life sentence handed down, a living kind of hell. I saw the universe tremble, I felt the gravity break, but you stood like a pillar for our son, for all our sakes. While the world tried to bury the light of our own blood, you kept your head above the rising of the flood. That's a courage beyond earth, a strength that's divine, to carry that heavy cross and still let your spirit shine. You're the heartbeat in the silence of a cold prison wall, the one who stayed standing when they wanted us to fall. Yeah, look, we're talking planetary alignment, a once-in-a-lifetime sight. You stood in the trenches with me, turned the shadows into light. No retrograde could shake us, no comet could break us, because your spirit is the fuel that's gonna finally take us to the heights where the air is thin and the vision is pure. A love this intelligent is the only real cure. So here's to the woman who's solid as the sun, Alicia, my heart, we've only just begun. Beyond the Milky Way, through the stardust and the blue, there's no universe I'd rather walk through than the one with you. Through the sentencing, through it all, you stayed solid. My North Star.